Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manpreet from Career Talks. Welcome back to my channel. So I am here to answer your all queries regarding German studies, PR, any point you want to discuss regarding your career. So you can write your queries in a comment box, and I am here to answer your all queries. So one by one, write your queries in a comment box, please. Hi Piyush, hi Anjan, hi Navjot. Hi Nitesh, hi Preet. About bachelor's, so that means your qualification is 12th passed out. Okay, so if there you done your 12th and your percentage is near about 70s, then yes, bachelor in English taught is possible in German public universities. If you want to know detailed discussion, detailed procedure regarding English bachelor's, then I want to know your proper qualification, your subjects and passing year percentage, everything. And if you want to communicate with me one session, then around 5 p.m. I will have a Zoom session. So DM me on Insta or WhatsApp for the Zoom session link. Hi Ritesh. Okay, can you please explain the process regarding nursing profile in Germany? Millions of vacancies in Germany as a nursing profile, as a physiotherapist. If you done your 12th, then yes, you are eligible for a nursing hospital course. If you done GNM, then yes, you are eligible for nursing job in Germany. If you done BSc nursing, then yes, you are eligible for nursing job in Germany. So the main requirement for nursing job is your 3 years involvement in the nursing profile. If you done GNM or if you done BSc nursing, that means you completed your 3 years in the nursing profile, then you are eligible to do work in German government hospitals. And second requirement is German language. A1, A2, B1, these 3 levels are mandatory to complete from the home country. After these 3 levels, yes, you are eligible to get a license approval to work in Germany as a nurse profile. Ma'am, if I do LLB in India, then LLM also do in Germany. Yes, possible if your LLB in India is international law. If you done bachelor's in as an international law, then possible to study German law. But before that, it's law. You study the all Indian law rules, and after reaching Germany, you have to. There's the option that you want to study the law of Germany. So you are eligible if you already completed, if you already studied this international law. Yeah, masters possible in Germany. There is a need of a license exams. If you done BDS here, if you done MBBS here, then yes, MDS is possible from Germany. For this, there is a license exams is mandatory, but before that license exam, German language is mandatory. So if you done German language from your home country up to 3 levels, A1, A2, B1, then you are eligible to apply for deficit beside. After deficit beside, then you are eligible to give the temporary license exam, that is Fachsprache FSP. And on the basis of temporary license, you have 2 years to work in Germany, and in between these 2 years, you have to clear the final exam, KB exam, approbation exam. After this, you get a permanent license to work in German government hospitals. So it's totally like clinical. Can you tell me which subject is included in medical student colleague? Medical student colleague is like their MCO student colleague. All your 12 subjects are included, like PCB, physics, chemistry, biology, and plus if you plan to study English preparatory MCOs, then it also includes mathematics, also includes one subject as a German language. So your 12 PCB, physics, chemistry, bio plus maths plus German language. If you want to study the student colleague in MCOs in English language. After this English MCO student colleague program, then yes, possible German language MBBS. German taught MBBS. MBBS only possible in German taught, not possible in English language. Can I study household science course in Germany? Is it available in economics? Yes. It all depends on, actually for this, first I want your proper mark sheet. I want to check your proper subjects. According to that, I can suggest you that this is possible for you or not. Is IELTS mandatory for Germany? Yes. If you want to study Germany English taught program, then yes, IELTS is mandatory. And if you want to study German taught program, then there is no need of IELTS. If you plan to enter in Germany with the help of German language, then German language certificates are enough to enter in universities, to enter in companies, or to search for a part-time job or at the time of internship also. Law science in Germany. Yes, dear. Bachelor course is possible, but for master course, it all properly depends on the subjects what you already studied in your bachelor's course. If you want to discuss regarding more detailed discussion on this, then first I need your mark sheet. WhatsApp me your proper mark sheet regarding bachelor's. After that, I suggest you that you are eligible for this course and this course is possible or not in public universities. How to apply free education in Germany? Okay, free education in Germany is possible. Why I smile? Because you said a laugh smiley with this query. Okay, free education, you can say that German government universities give you a proper free education. You can search this option from it. You can check this option from Google also. Why education free? Of course, because population is less and they mostly try to attract the youngsters with this free education. So that mostly youngsters attract to this region plan to study in Germany. After studying Germany, they help. After study their whole technology, they help to grow the all country in the same technology with the same technology. Is there any animation courses? Yes, animation courses are possible, but only in German language. If you want to study bachelor's animation course, then W course student league is possible in English language, but animation bachelor course is possible only in German language. Ma'am, gaming career have scope in Germany, of course. If you done your 12th with commerce subject, then yes, you are eligible for bachelor in gaming profile. English taught. If you done your 12th here with commerce subjects, then you are eligible to study W course student league program, and after that, yes, bachelor's in gaming is possible in English language in public universities. Islamic study course available for art students in Germany. Of course, all courses are possible here. There is no course which is not possible in Germany, and there is no course without scope in Germany. All courses are possible, but sometimes the courses names are different, but the curriculum is same. Like in India we say that MBBS, but in Germany it is called medicine. If you try to search like MBBS course from Germany, then there is no option, but if you search in a medicine course in Germany, it is same as a MBBS. So the names are different, but the curriculum content is same. Any more queries? Hi, Vartika. Fashion designer have good salary in Germany, of course. Dear, if you plan to study any course in Germany, then at the time of job market, the market only check these two things, that you have a German language certificates and also you have a degree in your hand, any of the university from Germany. So if you have these two options, then job market is very good for you. Either the courses any like game designing, like animation, like fashion designing, hotel management, any W course, any engineering course, any medical course. If you have these 2 points in your hand, these 2 certificates in your hand, German language certificates and also degree from a German university, then job market is very good for you, seriously. Can we do pharmacy in Germany? Yes, pharmacy also possible. Like your 12th is with PCB and your 12 PCB with around 60%, then you are eligible for study this MCO student fee program in English language, but pharmacy only possible in German language. Medical courses are such kind of courses only possible in German language. but yes, the bridge course possible in English language. How much percentage I want in 12th if I apply computer applications courses? Your 12, like you're planning for bachelor's in computer applications, then your 12 percentage is 50%, then still you are eligible for free of cost study in Germany, public universities in Germany. And if your 12 percentage more than 70, then yes, you are eligible for English taught preparatory program and also English taught bachelor's in German public universities. If your percentage more than 60, then also you are eligible for English preparatory program, but for in that cases, sometimes the team take an assessment test. How can I learn German language easily and how much time it needs? Such a demanding question and such a common question. You can say that everyone wants to know the answer to this. How can I learn German language easily? How much time it takes? You can say that time regarding like it takes 3 months for A1, A2 and B1, B2, C1 it takes 6 months, and we always suggest do B1, B2, C1 after reaching Germany, because when you study the higher levels, then let the country helps you to convert into its language. When you study higher levels from the country, then it makes your base stronger. And how is it possible to learn German language easily? Then try to attend the classes daily, try to finish the homework on time, and according to if you follow these rules, German language classes and everything, then slowly and slowly you convert it into its language. It takes time initially, but yes, you have a good option in German language also, but not such a proper conversion possible in India, but of course when you reach Germany, then you are easily converted into its language. The environment helps you to convert into its language. I miss lots of queries. Ma'am, can explain about Ausbildung course. Ausbildung is like their diploma course, vocational training course, and you can say that equivalent to BSc degree also, and this is accepted all over the world. Right now we have option only for nursing Ausbildung. After nursing Ausbildung, you are eligible to enter in German all government hospitals, and you are eligible to work in German government hospitals, nurse profile and starting salary approx 3,400 euros easily. At the time of diploma course, Ausbildung course, then yes, there is a need of German language. After B2 level, you are eligible to enter in this Ausbildung nursing course. Okay, ma'am, when can visit your consultancy? Anytime, dear, Monday to Saturday, 11 to 4 between. Try to visit, and but before visiting, please confirm your time. Um, just check the free slots with our executives, and according to that, manage your meeting, manage your visit. Do you provide German language classes in this COVID period? Yes, of course. We have online German language classes options. So if you want to join the course, new batch going to start from this coming Monday night 8 p.m. If you want to join this class, then please contact us as soon as possible. It's a complete new batch and daily 2 hours class, Monday to Saturday, Monday to Friday, and 1.5 hour class if the classes are alternate days. And we have a proper German teachers shortlisted interviewed by the German team. They all know how to help you to convert it to its language by tips and tricks. Ma'am, in COVID period classes will be online. Yes, of course, dear, classes are online. But as soon as possible, maybe by October, we are going to soon open the offline classes also, but all it depends on the third wave. I'm afraid of learning German language. Everyone is afraid of this because you never learn this language from nursery, from 12. You are just planning to learn this language when you plan to move to Germany. So every students who plan to move to Germany start this language 5 months before, 6 months before, some students 1 year before. So just there's a need to start the language. There's a need of motivation to start this language. But once you start this language, yes, truly you are easily converted into this language. Nothing like you are feel like afraid from this language. Initially you face some problems, but slowly and slowly you easily converted into its language. Are you also in touch with us in Germany? Yeah, we are present in Germany also. Till you not enter the universities, you are under our caretaker. And like we help you, we assist you at every documentation part. So not undertaken like that. We are like spoon feeding assistants, but yes, at every part where there is a need of any documentation, we are present in Germany for help. When you give German language classes, your teacher is German or Indian. For A1, A2, I have both options like German teachers also and Indian teachers also. So it's all your choice. Mostly at the time of A1, students demanding Indian teachers, so it makes the base easily. But yes, by after A1, A2 from the B1, I always shifted my all students to German teachers. For A1, A2, maybe you are taking classes for my Indian teachers, but from B1, our German teachers help you to convert into German language. Thank you, ma'am, for information. Always welcome you. Ma'am, I will do my PhD there. Daily I am getting a query of PhD, but sorry dear students, we have no PhD options. We never guide students for PhD admissions. We always suggest students for double masters. So if you are planned for PhD, then try to enter in Germany with the help of double masters. We help you for getting a visa on the basis of masters offer letter. After reaching there, when you study masters there, because masters is completely free of cost, we help you to getting a letter of public university, so there is no tuition fees. So after completing master, then PhD professors have the option to select you for the PhD admissions. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are very sporting, ma'am. Always welcome here. Thank you, thank you. I am Mr. Yogi Bhatwani. Okay, if anyone having queries, please write down your queries in comment box. I am only there for 1 minute more because around 5 p.m. I have another session. I'm live on Zoom for you all students. If you want to communicate with me live session at Zoom, you want to discuss your profiles, then DM me for the Zoom meeting link through Insta and through WhatsApp. It's your wish. Any more queries, then please write your queries in the comment box. Okay, I guess I reply all queries. Hope I reply very well. So if tomorrow is Sunday, sorry. Then day after tomorrow, Monday to Saturday at 4 p.m. Around 4 p.m. at Insta and around 5 p.m. at Zoom session. Okay, I have one more query. Can I do computer science? Yeah, of course, computer science BTech is possible in Germany. It's the most demanding course. It's a very easy to get the admission to computer science. Also possible in English dot and German dot. And we have both options. If you plan for a bachelor's in computer science in German dot, English dot, it's your desire. We have both options. So if you want detailed discussion, then join me after around 5 to 1 Zoom session for one-to-one session. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.